Pezzers, today we have Walmart trucks. Yes, the 4 Walmart trucks on cards in a Ziploc bag. Check out these big rigs, limited edition, Walmart style. Love them or hate them, it's Walmart and they produce. And we've got some cool dispensers here, all white trucks from back in 2006, I think, 2006. Sure enough, in 2006, a quantity of 300,000 limited edition rigs were produced for Walmart using their nationally recognized corporate logo. So, we have these dispensers. Let's get to this, shall we?
But first, make sure you subscribe. Please like and share this video.
This one comes with cherry, strawberry, and lemon candy. Pez, the greatest candy in the world. And a play toy. The Walmart delivery crew. It's tight. It's tight. Any notifications? 5.9. Where's it made? Made in China. Rolling wheels. Look at the smokestacks, because each one of these trucks are different. You have to look at them carefully. We'll go through each one and look up close, and then we'll put them all together. Rolling wheels, made in China, 5.9. Very, very difficult to open at first. Notice no smokestacks on this one with a V grill. This one is a cube front truck. Rolling wheels, made in China, 5.9 stem. Very tight again, because it's brand new. Modern looking front end. Let's get to the last one here. It even says it on there. Limited edition for Walmart. I guess that's limited. Made in China, 5.9. Even says Pez on the top and the back here embossed. They all have that. Now this one you're looking at, go, didn't we just see that one? This one has small stacks. So let's find the one with the big stacks and compare the two. See, big smokestacks, small smokestacks. Silver grill, white grill. We've got to move stuff for the Americans. They got to buy all our Walmart items cheaply. Let's move out.
What's a foot long and slippery? A slipper.
New videos!
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Check it out! We're on Instagram and Facebook.